one thing I know for sure is that when you do the work, the inner work, the one that helps you become who you want to become, your higher self, and the visibility work online, then it works. What do I mean by this? It means that you need to commit to consistency, patience, and lots of compassion, self-compassion. You know, there is a reason why my program at Social Media Love went from 3 months to a year. Because if we don't allow ourselves to slow down and to work from a place of ease, when I say ease, is that everything you do, and you do a lot, comes from spaciousness. By spaciousness, it's like whatever you do, you take the time to feel it, think about it. Is it aligned with what you want to do, what you want to say? And you allow that time. And in our go, 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 schedule, we often bypass that. Then we are exhausted. So this is really why, for me, it's a big celebration week today. Because one of my clients has been 1.5 years together in the trenches, working every day from a place of ease. It doesn't mean that, you don't work. You work, but you make sure that you're very aware from where you're working from. Do you post under pressure, or do you post from a place of service, of fulfillment, of big impact mission you want to have in that life, right? And so it takes time. It takes more time than just going fast and furious and then, okay? So one of my clients, she sent me a message yesterday, say, hey, I got approached by a journalist. I'm going to be in a magazine. They interviewed me about this and that. And I asked them, how did you find me? And then she answered, well, I just Googled those words and I went to LinkedIn and put those keywords in there and I found you. That simple. But that simplicity comes from a consistent, repeatable, step-by-step process that, it's simple, but you have to be consistent, because when you stop too early, then nothing happens, right? So I wanted to share this with you. I'm very, very happy for my clients. It's like if it, when something happens for my clients, it's like if it's for me. And I'm sharing this with you because if you need to recommit today, it's today. Recommit to consistency, patience, and lots of self-compassion. You're doing awesome, and you have everything you need. And if you need help, then ask for help, me or someone else. Have a great weekend.